Hello lovelies, how you all doing? I hope you're all doing good. So in this video I'll be showing you how you can detangle this coily matted hair with just these simple steps. Before we go into the video proper, please if you're new to my channel, you're welcome. Please do well to subscribe to my channel, and old subscribers, you're welcome back. So what I did was I added hot water into the bowl, then I added my conditioner. You can make use of any conditioner, but in this video I made use of Tresemme conditioner. Then you add your oil. You can make use of any oil you have, coconut oil, olive oil. I actually made use of olive oil in this video because my coconut oil was not available at the moment. So you just mix it together and you dip your hair inside of the water, just like the way I'm doing it now. Make sure you dip in every part of the hair inside of the water to make sure that the hair is properly wet. With this, make sure you've mixed together, you understand? So just leave it there and soak it for 30 minutes, or when the water is cold you bring up your hair back, and this is the detangling process now. You can see how matted this hair is, so you just use a white tooth comb. Don't use a small mouth comb, please. Use a white tooth comb and detangle this hair, and please don't comb your hair from up of the hair. Try to detangle your hair from tip to bottom. Detangle it, like comb it. Take your time, do not rush, you understand? So comb it from the tip to the top, just walk your way, and this is how the hair looks, you understand? The hair looks so good already. This is what fell off from the hair. You can see it, there is no much loss, you understand? So right now we're going to wash the hair. If it's a very dirty hair, you wash it, but if it's not, if you just detangle, you just add in your leave-in conditioner and you just let it air dry naturally. But we're going to wash the hair, so you still make use of any shampoo you have and you wash the hair. Make sure you wash the hair till you see that the water is clear, like there is no more dirty coming out of the hair anymore, you understand? You wash it. Please don't wash it like you're washing a dress. So you can see how I use the comb, but you can use the woven brush to brush the hair when it's out of the water. Then after you're done washing and you've seen that the water is clear, that the hair is no longer dirty, what you have to do is just to rinse your hair with water. Just rinse it. Make sure you rinse the hair properly so that there will be no conditioner shampoo left in the hair. Rinse it as many times as you can to see that the water, you can see the water is very clear and the hair is already looking good, you understand? So after washing the hair, you go in with your conditioner. I still Tresemme conditioner I'm using. So you just put a generous amount into your palm and you just apply it to the hair. Make sure you apply it, you understand? Then leave the hair for like 30 minutes. Then you come back and you rinse it off with water again. You can see you rinse off the conditioner, rinse it off. Like you rinse it off like this. It's not a leave-in conditioner, so you have to rinse it off, you understand? Make sure you rinse it off, and you can see how the hair looks fine already. So you just comb it that way, then you go in with your leave-in conditioner. You can mix of any leave-in conditioner, but this is the one I made use of in this video. So you take some into your palm and just rub it around the hair. Apply it to the hair. Make sure you add a good amount, but do not add too much, you understand? Just add a good amount to the hair, and what you make sure it's everywhere in the hair, get into every part of the hair, rub it, apply it. Then you go in with your brush and you brush it like this, like brush the hair properly, and you just allow it to air dry. You just hang it somewhere or put it on a mannequin and you air dry it, you understand? This is how the hair looks when it's dried. Like you can see how the colors came back to life. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Please like, subscribe. God bless you.